Navigate Editorial Images tool from the home page. Next, click on Direct Your Scene with a reference image. Upload your reference image. Our AI will then craft the perfect prompt to match the mood, lighting, pose, camera angle, and model from your reference. Now, upload your new product by uploading input images of the product. The category and name will be auto-filled, or just select an existing product. Click Next. Your images will be generated and appear in the right side history section. You'll find your reference image displayed at the bottom of the screen. Click on it to adjust its influence or strength on the image you want to generate, to make the result more or less similar to your reference. Click Shoot to generate the images with this adjusted setting. You can also edit the model and background prompts and refine your images. And that's it. You've successfully created an image directed by your reference photo. Once you have an image with a model and background that you like, it's time to introduce your product. Watch our video on how to apply your product on an editorial image.